How to share a Milanote board. So first go to Milanote and then open up one of your boards. So let's say this is my board and I want to share this. So next is you can just click on share here at the top. Next is you can just type in the email of that person that you want to invite or share this to. And then you can just click on send invite and you're done. And of course, there are other ways as well. The other one is invite editors with the link. You can just enable this and then you can just copy this link and then send this link to that person so you'll be able to invite them. Okay. Next is you can also do this. Is this one. You can just enable this, and this one is you can once you've invited the person, that person can only read the board, read only. Okay, they can't really edit anything. And then you just need to copy the link and then you can just send this link to that person. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.